Hello and welcome to Daily Talk Booster. In today's video, you'll learn a real-life English conversation that happens at the bank, while opening an account, asking for services, or depositing money. Let's begin.
Good morning. Whom would you like to meet?
Good morning. I want to open a bank account.
Sure. Please go to counter number 2.
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to open a savings account.
Do you have your Aadhaar card and 2 passport-size photographs?
Yes, here they are.
Please fill out this form.
Can you help me with the form?
Sure, write your name here, your address here, and sign at the bottom.
Can I also apply for internet banking?
Yes, you need to fill out a separate form for that.
When will I receive my user ID and password?
You will receive them on your mobile number within 2 working days.
I would like to deposit $5,000 into my account.
Please fill out this deposit slip and go to the cash counter.
Can I deposit by check instead?
Yes, but check clearance may take 2 to 3 days.
Can you tell me my current balance?
Please give me your passbook.
Can you update it for me?
Sure. Please wait for a moment.
Will I get an ATM card?
Yes, please fill out this form. You will receive the card at your registered address within 7 days.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Speaking English in real-life situations like banks becomes easy when you practice daily. Start with simple sentences like, I want to open an account. Can you help me fill this form? Please update my passbook. Repeat, listen, and practice daily, and your English will improve faster than you think. If you liked this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Talk Booster. Let's boost your English one conversation at a time.